Welcome YouTube to day number 3 on board the Carnival Magic. The port call is Costa Maya, and we're going to be talking about the beach escape tour. But first, I would like to mention that the port call of Costa Maya is usually very windy, and because of that reason, it could turn into a safety problem with the crew. They cannot approach safely to the dock, so they might end up canceling the destination here. It happened to us in the past, so it's a good idea to have a plan B. What they do is they turn the whole thing into another sea day, and they issue a refund on all the taxes you pay for that port and also any excursions that you pay. So it's not the end of the world, it's just a slight change on the schedule, but I think it's worth mentioning here. As you can see here, when we got to Costa Maya, it was very cloudy. It wasn't sunny at all, and it was like this the whole day. And also the weather could affect your tours. If you have a snorkeling boat tour or a catamaran ride, this might affect that tour and it might be canceled. And if that's the case, they issue a refund. You can reschedule a different tour. It all depends on the availability of those tours and how full they are. So keep that in mind. Always have a plan B for Costa Maya. And as you go into the port, the right side is where they organize all the tours. You see that building over there on the middle of the screen, and they have signs for each tour. So at this point, you just look for your tour and follow the instructions. If you haven't booked any tours and the tours are still available, they're not full, you can talk to them and they will issue a ticket. Actually, they will charge a cruise line. You don't have to have any money over there. You just provide your cabin information, your name, and by the time you get back to the ship, you will see on your account the charge for that tour. So it's convenient. And here it is, the beach escape tour. And after a short bus ride, you get to the destination. It's about 50 minutes, so before you know it, you're there. As soon as you get there, you realize how clean the area is, how clean the sand is, the water is crystal clear. It's really a gorgeous location. That area where you're dropped off, you have so many different options. You can go to other resorts, you can take advantage of different restaurants, different stores. You don't need to be secluded in that area where you get dropped off. You can go around and explore the area on your own. Also, in the same location, you will see a lot of activity from other tours. For example, they use that pier to different excursions like the scuba diving and the banana boat ride and all of these aquatic activities. They will depart from here also. So the area it's busy, but at the same time, it felt very safe because there was a lot of stuff going on around us. And if you're interested into a kayak ride, they're complimentary. You can just tip the guy helping you out with the kayak. It's really fun. If you like nature and get excited about it. If you like the outdoors, if you like the beach, or if you think you can have fun with the activities that you see here, I highly recommend this tour. It was a lot of fun and I highly recommend it. The next episode is going to be in Isla Roatan, Honduras, so please subscribe so you don't miss out the new episode. And if you like the video, please click that like button. That's greatly appreciated. Well, thank you so much for watching my videos, and until the next one.